Day 5 or 6 or 15 on this. It feels like found an issue with the tie rod boots and sent Ander to Summit to get some different ones that we believe will work. And I just took the opportunity to install a little secret project that I've been thinking about, and we're gonna see what he thinks when he gets back with the parts and breakfast. Hey, I got another issue with the tie rod. I don't think those boots are gonna work. Epiphany.
You'd be worried. My heart, dude. My heart freaking Selena's heart dropped, dude. I can't do any more problems. I have a solution for these boots, by the way.
So, what do you think of my super top secret project?
It's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it.
I didn't think we were going to be able to make it happen. It might have to flip, it might have to move, it might have to do whatever, but that little knuckle pod right there is a first in the Colorado realm. I put them on my truck, but I'm not an IFS guy anymore. But little semi-universal brackets that I thought up, had designed, and made, or had cut and made. They're stainless, so they won't rust or anything like that. They can be bent a little bit to level off, like a cutoff if you have one of those style lights. And theoretically, it should clear the tie rod and the wheel. But we need to do some more important things, like eat breakfast and a couple of little things before we start goofing off with the extra stuff, because we are way behind schedule. I was just excited to tease him and tell him we had a problem.